The automotive world is experiencing a monumental shift, and hybrid supercars are at the forefront of this change. Combining the raw power of traditional combustion engines with the efficiency and environmental benefits of electric motors, hybrid supercars are revolutionizing the way we think about high-performance vehicles. In this video, we'll dive deep into the evolution of hybrid supercars, the technologies behind them, and why they are shaping the future of performance vehicles. From Ferrari to McLaren, hybrid technology is changing the game, bringing together speed, power, and sustainability. A hybrid supercar is a high-performance vehicle that uses both internal combustion engines, ICE, and electric motors to deliver power. The goal of a hybrid supercar is to combine the performance and exhilarating driving experience of a traditional supercar with the environmental benefits and fuel efficiency of an electric vehicle, EV. Internal combustion engine, ICE. The ICE provides the power and speed that supercars are known for, delivering heart-pounding acceleration and top speeds. Electric motors. The electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, while also contributing to a cleaner driving experience by reducing overall emissions. Energy regeneration. Many hybrid supercars incorporate regenerative braking, which recovers energy that would otherwise be lost and stores it in the battery, making the car more efficient and extending its range. Hybrid supercars represent the future of performance, combining traditional power with cutting-edge technology for a greener and more thrilling driving experience. The demand for hybrid technology in supercars is driven by several factors. While supercars are traditionally known for their raw power, the modern world is pushing for a more sustainable approach to high-performance driving. Hybrid technology addresses several needs. Environmental impact. As concerns about climate change and carbon emissions grow, hybrid supercars offer a cleaner alternative by reducing the overall emissions produced by high-performance vehicles.